Polycystic ovary syndrome is a complex endocrine disorder. It's a common endocrine disorder. It's an endocrine condition. It's a complex endocrinopathy. But what does it really mean? Welcome to Holistic Ovaries, where we talk about women's health, about menstrual health, emotional health, relationship, stress management, and more. I am Agnese, and I am here to talk about my experience with PCOS and to give you as much knowledge. And welcome, Dobby, here. He's gonna be today with us on the video. Almost every scientific research starts with the sentence that polycystic ovary syndrome is complex and complicated disorder. But what does it really mean? To understand that, first we need to know what actually endocrine system is. Your endocrine system is incredible communication system. And what I mean by that, our bodies have two different communication systems. One is our nervous system, and second is endocrine system. You can imagine your nervous system like a light speed Wi-Fi where the communication is super fast and travel through your nerves in forms of electrical impulses. I am sure you can remember the moment when you touch hot stove and your hands jump out so quickly. On the other hand, endocrine system is much slower. You can imagine it like a handwritten letter sent through the post office. It takes a long time to deliver the message to the organ. Your endocrine system communicates through the body, through your bloodstream in a form of hormones. At this very moment, in your bloodstream, you can find 50 different hormones traveling through your bloodstream. That's a lot of hormones. When all hormone producing glands working together in harmony, everything is great and you feel great. But what if something gets off? If one of the glands, receptors, hormones, or organs impacted by hormones is out of the system, it's not functioning well, then everything will start to get out of balance. And here we have our hormonal imbalance. If hormonal imbalance continue for prolonged period of time, here we have a risk of getting endocrine disorders like hypothalamic-pituitary-ovarian, thyroid disorder, and also our polycystic ovary syndrome, right, Toby? Endocrine disorder involve overproduction of certain hormone or underproduction of certain hormone. Your body is a very intelligent system and it will always try to keep everything in balance. If one of the endocrine part is not working, the rest will try to balance it out by producing less or more one of another hormones just to balance everything out. But this can create more hormonal imbalances. So as for previous example, your brain sends normal level of FSH to your ovaries to grow the group of follicles, but for some reason none of them develop an egg. But these follicles still create estrogen, and this estrogen, when it hits its level, communicate to your brain to send LH. And your brain sent LH, but there was no mature egg to release for ovulation. And LH is kind of suck, and you not ovulate. If this happens again next month, your brain sends again LH to your ovaries, but there is no an egg to grow. So now we have a lot of LH in the ovaries, and this LH start to communicate to your ovary to produce testosterone. And here we have hormonal imbalance. We have not enough FSH, more LH, and imbalance overproduction of testosterone. And this what can happen in polycystic ovary syndrome. And in polycystic syndrome, you don't have an ovulation. You have a lot of follicles in your ovaries, and this what can be seen on ultrasound. Here you have your polycystic ovaries. This can get even more complicated because some hormones are only produced to another gland, so the gland can produce another hormone, and then another hormone communicates to another gland to co-produce another hormone. So one hormone stimulates another hormone to another hormone. It's really complicated and it causes hormonal cascades. It's like a waterfall. In our simplified example, we talk about hypothalamic-pituitary-ovarian axis. Your hypothalamus is placed somewhere on top of your brain and is responsible to keep your body in balance, in homeostasis. In your hypothalamus, two communication systems are met: endocrine system and nervous system. Hypothalamus sends a hormone to your pituitary gland to produce another hormones like LH and FSH, so it can communicate with your ovaries, and your ovaries communicate back to your brain. You see, hormones are working together to maintain a balance, and it's not enough to focus only on gland producing hormone, like in our case, ovaries. Ovaries, you can say, are merely a victim. They are not the cause of your polycystic ovary syndrome. There are other glands and organs that play a huge role in polycystic ovary syndrome, starting with your hypothalamus, pituitary gland, ovaries, but also adrenals, pancreas, gut, and even fat cells. PCOS is not only about reproductive system. PCOS is about entire endocrine system. And I will go further. PCOS is not only about endocrine system. PCOS affects almost every bodily system you have, starting with metabolic system, digestive system, cardiovascular system, adrenal system. Also affects our minds and our psychological health. Luckily, it works both ways. Strengthening every system in your body will help you to balance endocrine system, and it will help you to improve your symptoms of PCOS. And this calls holistic approach to healing and managing your polycystic ovary system, because it's not enough to focus only about your ovaries. We need to focus about entire body, including our mental health. And in next video, this is what we're gonna focus about: how PCOS affects your psychological well-being. I hope this video was not too much overwhelming. Endocrine system and endocrine health is complex. As you know, PCOS is also complex. Please leave me a comment if you have any questions. I will be happy to answer. You can also follow me on Instagram, and you can check my previous video. I will link everything in the box description below, and I really hope to see you soon. Bye bye.